Good morning. I've been told that grizzlies hibernate in the winter, but not this grizzly. Me, Florin, and Paul, we out here.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
We're checking out Upper Purches Creek today. First time I was out here, we got stuck in the mud. Second time out here, Sebastian and I took a wrong turn, so today's the day. Once again, Redemption Day Part 2. Thanks for tuning in. I think I'm just gonna pop her in four-wheel. As you can see, snowy out here. Ooh, look at this. Starting off with a nice frozen creek. Yay. Here we go. Doing a little ice skating right off the jump. Woo, yeah, that's slick, boys. Looks like Florian went over here. Alright, I'm getting up on my seat because I don't want to get wet right off the start. Yeah! Look shallow over here. Get up there, baby! That's how you do it.
I think we are the first one. I don't see any tracks.
That's right, breaking trail.
Woo.
We're the manliest men out here. Welcome to Alaska. See if we can get over this. Yeah. So here's that lock section, but look, it's all frozen up. Boop, boop, a-doo. Yeah. Feel that sun. See what the boys are doing. Here comes your boy. Oh, he's going ice road. Yeah! This morning when I got up, I was like, do I really want to go ride today? But I'm glad I did. Look at this. Beautiful day out here. Here comes your boy Paul. Riding tough. CF motoing it up. Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, Sebastian, you're missing out, baby! Alright, so trail's pretty easy here, but right at the beginning, we're gonna get into some steepness. Never really done steepness in the snow before, so we'll see. Thing is, there's a lot of big boulders, but like that, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to see them. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Oh yeah, I'm spinning out. I'm definitely gonna have to get a lot of speed going into the steepness. Popper and load too. Little bit of water there. Oh, Florian's breaking through the ice. Today's gonna be a good test to see how these Kenda bear claws do in the snow. I'll let you guys know. So far so good, but we haven't gotten into anything too deep as we kind of go up. You know, I'm guessing it's gonna get deeper. Alright. Back up on the seat. Oh yeah. Alright. What's going on?
I know how to play.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Hands are frozen.
Is it frozen or are we just slipping?
I think it's frozen.
Hey, have you been pumping them? Maybe pump them. I didn't think about that. No brakes, because the hydraulic lines are frozen. Yeah, see, look at that. This one's working. My rear's working, I think, but my front's not working. Yeah, we're just pumping them up. Pump them up, pump them up. All right, here we go. Kicker and low, let's go. Oh yeah. So I'm in 4-wheel, but it definitely feels like 2-wheel. My back end gets pretty loose in this snow with these tires. I'm gonna get over here. Oh, my brakes are working good. Let them get a little bit of a start. You just got to keep your momentum. This is probably the trickiest part of the, well, steepest part of the whole trail right here. I don't see him, so I think we're good. All right, here we go. Making the climb. Boulder there, gotta go around that. Woo, woo. Little hop here. All right, we're getting there. Man, it's beautiful out here. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Get a little 2-wheel. 2-wheel action for the boys. Woo-hoo. Yeah. It's gonna be kind of bad because I'm shooting into the sun, but there you go, boys, girls. Look at this. Woo, look at those boys climb. Let's catch up, y'all. Oh. Oh. Let me get up here. I gotta get a place I can stop to help him.
Hey, you okay?
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What happened? Woo, baby.
I don't know, I was going up and my tires grabbed it and I just went forward.
Oh shoot, you went off of here.
Yeah.
Did you hit yourself?
No.
I
I
give you a
tried to
seat
get away
on,
from
man.
the 4-wheeler before it rolls back on me.
Dang, dude. You got it in 4 low?
No, I had it at 4 high.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
I got 4 low there.
That's okay. We push it back.
Hang on.
let me get down here. There we got it. Woo!
Holy
What happened to you?
dude.
Did you go flying?
Yeah, I flew and I tried to get away from this thing, so I just kept rolling down.
Oh, question is it gonna start?
I should. It kept started.
See if it starts up. Oh. Like butter.
Huh?
What's that beat? Is that just normal? Your backpack, you gotta fix your backpack. Something leaked right there, but I don't know what that is. It's right here too. Oh, coolant. Yeah, it looks like coolant. A little bit on your tire.
You wanna go up slowly? Put it in 4 wheel, like 4
4 low.
4 low, yeah, maybe. And try on this side.
So I'm thinking, if it's not too steep and you can creep, just creep. But if we get into stuff where you can't creep, you got to kind of keep your momentum at least to cut. You don't want to stop, but you can probably creep up this. Just be careful because it's still a little tippy right here.
Yeah, I was thinking to just kind of go that way.
Yeah, try to get over here on the left side because it wants to tip you that way.
Wait a second.
Huh?
Where did you come up here?
No, he fell off the top, dude. He jumped. He
What?
rolled off from up there where you are.
How the f did you catch here from there?
It's because when I was going, my tire grabbed this area, and then my wheel, my just went off this way.
Oh,
Yeah.
Like, where are the tracks? I don't see any tracks.
No, he launched it.
Oh my god, dude.
That's why, yeah.
Oh my goodness. You wanna go slowly? Maybe just stay on this side a little bit, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's just freaking pouring out of there.
Oh, that's just the gas tank.
Yeah, but that's where the exhaust comes out too.
Yeah.
You want to catch his damn thing on fire, I would take that gas can off of there. You don't want him like leaking gas all over the trail.
Oh, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, plus it's like literally leaking down the back of his machine. It
On
might
the
catch on
exhaust.
fire, dude. Yes.
On the exhaust pipe, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that would
Tell
be
him up
better.
there.
I was like, how the he got here? I don't see any tracks.
Yeah, dude, he launched. I didn't see it because I get way behind you guys.
That's crazy.
Yeah, look right here. That's where he went off. Right here. He literally was right
I
there and
see,
went
I
whoop.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But I didn't want to stop where you stopped, so I was trying to get to a place to stop.
Luckily that thing didn't fall on him.
Yeah, wow. Alright, well, let's get up here, see how Paul's doing. Woo! Yeah, I was gonna say, take that gas off because it was leaking down the back.
Yeah.
And it's super hot. Look. Oh, your exhaust doesn't come right out the back? I just didn't want it to catch on fire.
It's pointing down. Oh man, I'm starting to feel that shit now.
Whew.
Dude, that was nuts.
Man, look.
Really?
I just saw the aftermath. I didn't see you do it.
Bro, so I was going, and then I started to feel like I was hitting the bottom. So I tried to go this way, and then something caught on the front tire.
Yeah.
And then it just like went like that. I was like,
Yeah, and you just jumped?
dude, as soon as I seen it, I fucking jumped.
Ditched
and I
it.
just kept going. I was like, I don't want the thing
Yeah.
on top of me, so
I'm glad you're okay, man.
Yeah, me too.
yeah.
Is this where we were supposed to go, right?
I don't know.
Well, you were just looking at it. Where's your guy at?
Yeah, that's the split right here.
Yeah, so go that way. Yeah, go that way. And then you go up, and then when we get there, stop. I mean, you're gonna go. Yeah, just go this way. Took off my jacket because I was walking a little bit and I got hot. But now that I have it off, I'm cold. So once we stop, I'm gonna put it back on. Look at the heated grips going. A little bit of a climb here before we get up there. Alright, let's get it. I think on some of this we're just making our own trail. I don't know if there's necessarily a trail below us. We're just kind of going. I think the trail right now is over there. At least on the way back we'll have a trail to follow. Alright, we're getting pretty close to where I think it starts to kind of drop down the other side. Maybe another mile or so. Oh! Oh, there's a trail marker. So yeah, look, we're on the trail. Oh, nice jump for the way back. Can't let Florida have all the fun. I want to get to the pow pow a bit too. Yeah. Oh, it gets deep right there. Snow's getting deeper. Don't want to get stuck. Alright, I don't see it, but I think the Motor Musher Cabin is somewhere over there. I don't know if you're on the trail. I think the cabin's somewhere over there.
Oh yeah, we need to go this way.
Yeah, it looks like you got off the trail. Let me take a peek. Yeah, so we're right there. So we're gonna kind of make our way over there to the left and then kind of head back down. Looks like we've gone 1.54 miles so far. Not too long. Oh, but I didn't start guy right at the bottom, so that's kind of where I think where Paul had his accident. Ah, here we go. You can definitely see like a trail over there. So that's where I'm headed. Hi, Motor Musher Cabin. I know you're somewhere over there. I think I see you. You see how it kind of goes down? There's no trees and it kind of drops. And then it goes into a valley, and then do you see the trees on the other side?
Yeah.
Do you see kind of the patch where there's not a lot of trees? Kind of right where I'm pointing?
Yeah.
I think that's where it is. I think that's the cabin. In the summertime you can see it because it's silver. I just don't think we can see it because of the snow. But that's basically where we're going. So we're going to go down and then back right up to there, and then we're good.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I think.
You think Lower Purchase Creek is still muddy?
No, we got to go through Peters Creek and then Purchase Creek. I'm hoping they're really low. Alright, so hey, we're just gonna keep going this way.
Yep.
And then the creek's like down there. Be careful right here. Yeah, we good. Brakes don't really work on the snow. You see water right here still flowing a little bit. Hasn't quite frozen up yet. Really want to try to make it to that Motor Musher's Cabin. So I'm thinking third time's the charm, y'all. We'll see. So far the tires are doing really well in the snow. But as you can see, Florian has Mudzillas, and he's doing just as well, if not better. And then I'm not sure what Paul has. I think he has like mud lights or something. He's doing pretty good too. Snow's definitely a little deeper up here than it was at the bottom. Still looking good on gas. Full tank. Probably be in four-wheel drive the whole day today. Alright, looks like we're starting to descend down now. Should maybe right over that ridge, kind of get back into the trees a little bit. And then there is some water, so I'm curious today if this water is going to be frozen. I'm thinking because the beginning wasn't frozen, it's also not going to be frozen down here, but that would be super sweet if it was. Last time we were out here, it got pretty deep. Alright, so I think we climb up here, then maybe then we drop down. Let me let Florian get a little bit ahead of me. I don't think I need low for this. Let's try 4 high. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Pick up some snow at our boy. Man, it's all icy right here. My foot's slipping around. Ah, it's so nice going in the powder. I don't really ride snow machines or snowmobiles, just out from Alaska, so I don't know, but this feels so cool. We gotta get a snow machine. We should be doing this on a snow machine. What are we doing out here, four-wheeling it up? But how do snow machines handle all these rocks? I'm thinking you just get whacked hard. Woo, woo, woo. What do you got? Game tracks. What is that? Moose?
Yeah, I think so.
How's Paul doing? Oh, there's Paul.
I see all kind of trucks out here, man.
Yeah, a lot of animals.
Yep.
Shouldn't have a difficult time cleaning the machine today. So that's nice. Don't have to spend 2 hours spraying it off. There's some more tracks. Looks like a moose. Can't go too fast through here because you can't really, you're just gonna come up on a rock. You never know when there's gonna be like a big boulder just to take you out. Looks a little treacherous right here. Oh, not, yeah, a little treacherous. Let's let Florian get a little bit of a lead. Treacherous trail. Oh, we're getting out of the sun though. It's gonna start to get cold. We gotta get down here out of the sun for a bit and then back over there into the sun. Just creeping on down the trail. Mama's little baby loves shortening, mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Yeah, wow, I can tell it's colder just from that. Whew, it's like a, I don't know, probably 5-10 degrees difference, I would imagine. Yeah. Are we going to be able to get over Peters Creek today? Man, I hope so. It's already in November. It's like the second week in November right now. So the water should be low. Hasn't been raining. It's only snowed once. Alright. Pretty bumpy through here, man. Pretty bumpy. Alright, are we getting to the water yet? Florian doesn't know about it. So he might just go. He'll not be able to see the water. Yeah, this is water, but he doesn't know. Oh! Little crackage. Little ice road truckers. Alright, next stop should be Peters Creek. Woo! Oh! Yeah! Move my toes around a little bit to get a little chilly. Oh, you can kind of see there's water here too. Just kind of cruising over it. Yep, this is normally water. Let's see, right or left? I don't think it matters. Go that way. Oh! Ready? Yeah, buddy! Oh, look forward! Alright, we should be coming up on the creek. Peters Creek, y'all. Almost there, y'all. We gotta do it today. Motor Musher. Can't beat us. Another shot of Peters Creek from this side for y'all. Look at this. Alright, I see a trail there. That's a good point, or that's a good sign. So at some point up here it should break. Whoa! Break off to the right. Yeah, break like the ice off of right here. Getting above the things. Then my feet are sliding around. Alright. Uh-oh. Florian just breaking it up. Looks pretty gnarly right there, dude. Alright, there goes Paul. Let's kick her in low for this one. Oh, he's just, oh, dude, he's soaking himself. Alright, Grid. Come on, Grid. Got it, baby! Should kick out a diff lock here. There we go. Alright, we're off. Adventure continues. Alright, here's Purchase Creek. Second creek we gotta get through. She's moving slow, but is she deep? You can see we're having a hard time here at Purchase Creek. Trying to break, oh, Paul got up. Trying to break through the ice. Alright, Florian's turn. See if he can get up there. You just got to get right up there. And he's good. Look at his feet on the back. Alright, here we go. Got it! Alright, here we go. That's how you do it. Is that the trail?
I don't know.
I thought there was a trail over here. Alright, well, we're just blazing trail. Yeah, this looks like it looks like a trail. Oh! You got mud! Alright, well, Florian does that. Let's check the map. Oh, we're off trail.
Huh?
We're a little off the trail.
Off the trail?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
The trail's over there. I don't know, maybe this goes around. It might connect. You need me to back up more?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Hold on, that's not back.
Yeah, man, this is no bueno.
Is there a trail past that?
Yeah, but some trail, like nobody goes on it.
Yeah, it looks like the trail's over there. I don't see anything better.
I mean, maybe you can go over there from here, but looks like nobody ever goes on it.
Yeah, because we got to get that way a little bit.
I don't want to stuck in this.
Yeah. This has to be it. There's like a little bump right there too that you still got to get up.
Yeah, it's a big bump.
All right, I talked him into it. We ain't gonna give up yet, y'all. We got like 10,000 feet to go. Baby girl's cold. Warm her up. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's cake. That was cake. All right. Smooth sailing now. Now we're cruising. Next stop, Motor Musher Cabin. We ain't taking no for an answer today, y'all. We are not taking no for an answer today. Oh yeah, see, here's the original trail. All right, Motor Musher, where you at? I know Statue Guy thinking wants me to make it out here, so I wasn't coming out here a third time and not making it. We're doing it today. We are not taking no for an answer. My feet are wet, I'm cold, Florian's upset. We're still doing it. Paul freaking flipped, doesn't matter. We're survivors. Oh yeah. We're fighting. Where the hell is it? Alright, I gotta look. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's right there. We're almost there. Oh, I see the other side. That's where we were. Over there. Can't see our tracks, but that's where we were. Lauren's doing a good job working through with this without really knowing the trail. A lot of logs through here. Dang, we're working it today. Alright, we're blazing trail now, boys. Girls. There it is! Oh yeah! We made it! Woohoo! Oh, there it is. Motor Musher Cabin. Pop her two and have a little victory. Victory lap! Woo!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. bad.
So that's where we started, on the other side of that hill. Then we went up that, then down through here. Sorry, I'm shooting in the sun. Back up and around, and then here we are. Motor Mushers. Let's check it out. It's fucked. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow.
I'm gonna kick
We spending the night, boys.
Oh shoot.
This is nice. Oh, look at all the freaking, like, dehydrated food.
Whoa.
Coleman stove,
Enough for people.
propane, bunch of spices. Can't really see up here. It's too dark. Let me turn my light on for you guys. Not sure if you'll be able to see, but there's a nice little loft up here.
Yep.
Okay, actually this
Oh, look at this, Paul.
What?
Oh man.
So you could sleep.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, cool.
Camp out here?
Yeah.
I don't know who built this, but this is a good thing, man.
What's that say? Lizzie and Nick, first off-road adventure. Camo toys, happy trails. You got a Sharpie? Find a Sharpie. Let's. Oh, there it is. You think it's gonna write?
20 degrees. I'm fine ahead.
All right.
Nice. I don't feel cold at all, dude. Like, no.
Moose. It's not writing too well. Moose Creek Kid
I don't have a fan.
with a heart. Oh, is this the cutest little pot you ever seen, Paul, or what? Look at this thing.
Dang, that's awesome.
All right, let me show you dudes what I got for lunch today. 3 cheese lasagna. Try that out. Got us some tuxedo snack mix. And then Hatch Green Chili Duke's little jerkies. Oh, can't forget PB&J. All right, great day of riding out here. As you can see, we made it to the amazing Motor Musher Cabin. I'm glad we did that. We're gonna cruise on back. Sun's gonna be coming down here soon. Appreciate you guys watching. Keep on keeping on, and we'll see you next time.